Guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? I thank you for all my subscribers, my viewers, my new subscribers, and my returning subscribers. You guys are wonderfully made. I just love you guys so much. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, I am Happiness Ada. You're welcome. Please subscribe to my channel. So guys, in today's video I share with you guys how I cook vegetable with Arab vegetables. As an Eastern Nigeria who live in an Arab country and work as a maid, sometimes I feel like eat our country food. I have no option than to use their stock to cook it, and it comes out perfectly. And guys, at the same time I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I got my stock, my cooking stock, without spending my money, without having problem with my boss, and I can cook at any time I like. Stay tuned. So guys, I'm done picking the vegetables. I'm washing it. You have to wash your vegetable very well because of sand. Guys, I'm using 4 different types of vegetables to cook this vegetable soup. The reason behind it is that these vegetables are not African vegetables and their tastes are not the same. If you use one, you will not like the taste. If you use 2, you may not like the taste. So using 4 different types of vegetables to make this soup, it will come out perfectly the way I want it. That is why I'm using 4 different types of vegetables. So guys, I'm done washing the vegetable. So have to leave it to drain out water like 15 minutes before slicing. I have my fresh pepper, ginger, garlic. Time to pound it. Let's cut the vegetables, guys. I love slicing my vegetables little by little, so when you cook it to come out perfectly. So guys, let me tell you guys how I got my cooking stock. If I've been watching my videos, you know I love cooking. I love cooking my own food as a housemaid working in Arab, guys. I don't spend my money, I don't ask my boss, and I don't have problem with her. Okay, the reason behind it is that when I'm cutting house meat, there's some part of meat they don't like to eat. So when they select it out, and I know I like this meat, something like Asian meat or biscuit bone, I will reserve it for myself. I will put inside the freezer. Then when it comes to chicken, guys, after finish cooking, my family eat finish, I eat. So the remaining ones which we did not eat, because they cannot eat food 2 times, I have to reserve it for myself. Likewise fish, guys, that is how I do with fish. I have to reserve it because they did not eat it and it's still okay and I'm the one cooking. So there is no need of asking if I want to cook to give me stock. That is how I got my cooking stock, guys. A maid like me watched my cooking video and she said she can never try this in her boss house. So I don't know the reason behind it. If it's because of stock, please try this method. You get your stock, okay? If it's because they will tell you your food is smelling the way they don't like it, they do tell me here, guys, but I ignore it because I want it. You can do it. So I'm done cutting the vegetables. So let's make red oil, because here I don't have red oil, guys. I'm using tomato paste and vegetable oil to make my red oil to cook my vegetable, and it will come out perfectly, guys. Watch the method. You can try it if you don't have red oil where you are. Perfectly good and taste nice, guys. So guys, I'm done with my red oil. You can see my red oil there. I have onions, I have fresh meat, I have dry fish, I have vegetables, stock, pepper and salt. I have my ginger, garlic and fresh pepper. Everything is going inside the soup. Let's dive in, guys. So guys, the first thing to do just to parboil the meat, because I'm using fresh meat to cook. Now I'm going to be parboiling the meat. I'm going to be cooking this meat like 1 hour, guys. In this meat, I'll add onions, I'll add fresh pepper, ginger, garlic, salt, stock, and chili pepper, guys. A cup of water is enough to boil your meat because the vegetable does not need meat. You have to low down your gas very well. It's going to be used heat to cook, so the water will be enough to cook the meat the way you want it. As you can see, I add a little water, and by the time this meat will cook, this water will dry off. The vegetable is going to bring out its own water that we use and cook. Just watch what I'm doing, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, and please subscribe to my channel, guys. So guys, the meat is ready. As you guys can see, there's no water inside this meat. What you're seeing is fat that come out from the meat. Then the next thing to add is dry fish. Then after dry fish, you add your vegetable, the one that looks like water leaf, because that one has a lot of water. Then after that, you add the remaining onions and pepper, and you put your red oil. You know, vegetable needs red oil. Then stir it very well. Don't cover it. You don't need to cover vegetable, because when you cover vegetable, it's going to bring out more water. But if you don't cover it, you'll be bringing out little water. That is what we're going to use to cook. So at the end of it, when you test it, just 5 minutes of this vegetable, you're going to add the remaining 3 types of vegetable I'm using. A minute you switch off your gas, your soup is ready. Vegetable don't need to cook much, just a little, so you can be able to enjoy it. So guys, I just add the remaining vegetables and the vegetable soup is ready. You don't need to boil much. Watch the way I cover the vegetable, guys. Don't cover it tight because it's hot, so it won't turn to water. Now I'm making wheat because I'm eating with wheat, guys. You can eat with anything you like, rice, beans, yam, potato, and it has a very good taste, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and please guys subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified each time I post any video. See you guys in my next video. Happiness, love you guys. Yalla, bye.